Hi everyone and welcome to week 1. Let me click on here, week 1. Let me go through some of the things that you're going to see for the course. I think it'll provide a good foundation, and if you ever need more assistance, please let me know, as I'm more than willing to assist. For this week, you have a couple things to complete. You have to complete the assessments and the preparation items. So if you click on the preparation items for week 1, it's going to take you to a couple, take you a couple things. Here's the objectives of this week that we're looking at. You're reading chapter 1, the role of economic reasoning. Here are some activities that you can utilize as well. Here's a lecture provided for you. And also here's a scenario. And this scenario provides a newly hired assistant manager at a print shop, where you will help your boss discuss economic problems related to business, interpret graphs, and other tasks. So here's a fun scenario to evaluate, trying to look at real and normal calculations in the production possibility frontier. Then, if you click over on week 1, you go to the assessment area. So everything in the preparation helps you in your analysis. Now if you click on the assessment area, it'll take you to what we're covering. Now for this week, you have the introduction. With the introduction, make sure to reply to 2 of your peers and post attendance in terms of introduce yourself to the class. And then you have the week 1 discussion forum. And in the week 1 discussion forum, you're looking at the difference between real and nominal calculations. When we look at GDP, you're going to be focused on the role of the components, which is CIG net exports. And GDP is a very important concept as it measures how our economy is doing. When we look at real factors, you'll notice that real factors, or real GDP, takes out the effects of inflation, whereas nominal factors include inflation. So that's a key component. So when you look at this question, compare and contrast the reporting of GDP. So when you look at it in 2 different ways, normal and real terms. And how could this influence an economy? Well, it could influence an economy through the use of inflation. If there's a lot of inflation, that could influence how the economy is going to be. Make sure with your work that you have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference to support your work. That's a key thing for each initial post in the discussion board. Now, in the second discussion board, you're going to be looking at the contributing factors of poverty and which one plays the most important role when you look at poverty. You want to support your answer, so that's where that that's where that AP formatting will come in to help as well. You want to look at the role of developed nations and how developed nations fight this challenge. And what are some of the challenges facing these developed nations? Please make sure to participate actively in the discussion board with 2 peer responses. Make sure to focus on your content development, your APA formatting, and if you need me to pre-grade any of your work, please let me know. But I look forward to your effort this week and your journey in the course.